How do you create a group meeting and schedule it in Teams? Go to Calendar, top right hand corner, select New Meeting. Give the meeting a name, so I just put Tester. Then add required attendees, so add the people that you want to actually attend to your group Teams meeting. So I'm going to pop in some random ones. That's my first one. Then I can add another one. Click on it, and then you can start adding as many as you want. Now, if they're people that you actually know within your Teams, then the emails will come up and you can just select them. You don't have to type them in. Important bit down here, choose when you want to do the actual meeting. So I'm going to do 24th of October, a bit earlier than 7:30, so I'll do 5. And then you can put on here when you want it to finish, or click all day if you wish there. Come down here and just type in details about the meeting. Quick chat, and that's it, you're done. Now click. Now look at the 24th of October. You can see it here. So if I tap on it, I can then join it. But emails will be sent to all the other people that you want to attend to your group Teams meeting, and they can also connect.